着風傾聽誰故事，傳遞中可有誰會意？如在花飄散才看見，一生我信的只有你。夢來看到，看我這生的旅途，要站在這世界上最高。偶爾看到眼裏景色的插圖，憂傷的感覺太早，我未會往後退，我為你不怕套路，決為你振作，不需鼓舞，願意討好。我像看到密布，永像掛彩那道紅，帶着我看到愛雲裏送，乘着風傾聽誰故事，傳遞中可有誰會意？無論花飄散誰看見，總會伴你看花飛滿天，乘着風飛半途發現，華麗光中誰人會意？迎着風飛舞能振翅，飛奔最高衝擊百次。
We'd like to invite Dr. Cho, Linda, Raymond, and Sha to please join us on stage.
大家給予他們熱烈的掌聲。
着風傾聽誰故事，傳遞中可有誰會意？如在花飄散才看見，一生我信的只有你。乘着風飛半途發現，華麗光中誰人會意？迎着風飛舞能振翅，飛奔最高衝擊百次。
我們為什麼會選鍾嘉欣小姐作為打那個壞產品的代言人？因為鍾小姐青春活潑、親和友善，天生麗質、漂亮美麗。她喜愛嘗試新鮮的事物，生活多姿多彩，象徵現代女性的一種活躍潮氣的表現。那麼深受廣大的年輕女性的欣賞喜愛。那麼從剛才我們一路走進來所受到歡迎的程度、人氣興旺，也就證明一點，所以我們選擇他代表那個外
是選對的，
一女是對的。
對，就好像我們選對用對稱一樣哦。我當然很想知道我們的代言人哦，要不要？
要訪問一下咯。
OK。
Ladies first，好不好？
好，那我先訪問鍾嘉欣先啦。係，你好。Hello，你好。好。
要唔要同我哋馬來西亞朋友打個招呼先咧
Hello，馬來西亞的朋友，你們好。好熱情啊！你啲 fans。
即係有好多朋友咧，就由新加坡啊，由呢個怡保啊，即係外地好遠嘅地方咧，專程趕到嚟同你見面嘅今日。係 OK。係
咧，咁啊當然啦，想問下嘉欣咧 Linda 咧，你覺得咧對於靚同埋美白，你個人有啲咩睇法咧？
靚咧，我覺得係，我覺得呢個世界冇一個男嘅靚女啦，即係要好勤力嘅，咁所以真係要揾啲好適合自己嘅皮膚，係同埋我覺得靚唔單止喺外面啦，都係內在嘅，內在發出嚟。
係啦。咁你覺得咧美白重唔重要咧？
美白非常之重要啊！即係個個女仔都想白白滑滑㗎啦，咁尤其是而家就拍一套古裝，咁好多外景嘅，咁你知香港都好曬嘅，咁所以好容易啲斑啊或者黑色嘅色素好容易會走出嚟，咁所以一定要做好多防止嘅，即係防啲黑色嗰啲黑色素走出嚟嘅搽啲嘢啊，full mask 啊，咁好大個幫助咯。
係嘅。
Wow, thank you very much. the question was, what is beauty in your eyes? And she says it's not only something that is outside, but it's also internal. But more importantly, she says there's no such thing as a beautiful, lazy woman. If you want to be beautiful as a woman, you have to be hardworking, you have to look after your skin. And in particular, she is acting in a lot of shows which requires her to be outside. And she thinks that it's very important to use products that protects your skin against the sun.
係啦，咁啊，對於今次嘅代言人嚟講咧，咁你覺得咧具備今次嘅產品嘅代言人應該有啲咩條件咧？
應該有咩條件？健康啦，皮膚亦都要保持得好啦。咁同埋因為做咗白人之後，嘗試過好多唔同嘅產品，咁今次可以用Bio Essence試咗成年，咁慢慢發覺所有嘅好處，咁所以都好希望自己可以話俾大家聽，Bio Essence嘅好處。
係，用得好自己會好開心，迫不及待要同大家分享。
Thank you. Well, Linda has said that she's actually used these products for the past year, and she's discovered that the products are extremely effective, and she feels that she wants to share this good news with everybody, and that's why she's here.
係啦，咁一定要問落去啦。咁係講到呢個產品咧，佢有係7個嘅 production 度喺長立嘅威呢個系列裏邊，你覺得你用到邊一個最有心得，就一定要同大家分享下嘅。
其實所有嘅產品自己都好中意嘅，但係如果你問我最中意邊個，我就一定會推介呢個 White and Firm Double Action Essence，因為佢係有兩個 tubes 啦，咁一個咧就係保濕啊，即係 firming 嘅，咁第二個就係可以美白嘅。咁有時咧我自己會睇下我皮膚嘅情況，有時如果真係要美白多啲，咁我就會多啲美白。有時會 mix 啦，mix 一齊用啦。有時想保濕啲皮膚乾啊，打得太耐妝啊，洗得太耐，咁就會用翻保濕。所以我覺得呢樣嘢係好好，因為 tube 咧自己又可以 mix 一齊，係啊，我覺得好好玩係嘛？好玩又好，因為自己可以操控嘅，冇錯。
That's right. Linda has especially recommended to everybody this product called the White and Firm Double Action Essence. She thinks that it's a very, very effective product, and more importantly, it's also something that you can mix according to your needs. So if you feel that on that day you're particularly dried up and you need some moisture, then you can choose accordingly. And of course, you can also, if you've been out in the sun a lot, you can also choose the products that's for whitening as well. So this is her favorite amongst the series.
係啦，咁啊，除咗用長亞香威之外咧，你覺得喺日常生活中你嘅護膚嘅秘訣係咩咧？我哋都好想好似你咁樣靚，即係咁捱更抵夜啊，都可以咁容光煥發嘅喎。
有冇味道俾佢？我覺得真係要維持一個開心開朗嘅心情，因為壓力啊或者心情唔好都會好喺皮膚演出嚟，表現到出嚟。同埋我覺得清潔好緊要，清潔一定要做得好足咯。尤其是就算幾唔夠瞓或者點都一定要清潔得好好，唔可以爛，敷多啲 mask 咯。
係啦，一定要敷多啲 mask。
Okay, the question was, can you share some beauty tips on how to look beautiful despite your very hectic schedule? And she says, 1, you have to maintain a very happy attitude because when you're unhappy, it shows on your face. 2, do a lot of masks. And 3, no matter how tired you are, you must thoroughly, properly clean your face all the time. So those are the beauty tips. Thank you very much. 謝謝你。
多謝晒。
Beautiful poster.
我哋又係 Ladies First，我哋有請維